Good morning to all. Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. What is adolescence? The period of a person's life between being a child and becoming an adult between the ages of 13 to 19. This age is called adolescence is a person's life. In the previous chapter, you have learned about the reproduction in animals, especially in human beings. Perhaps you think that why can a human reproduce after attaining a certain age? So, a human reproduce after attaining a age of adolescence. Now, you learn that there are a number of factors which make a person grow into an adult and then she become capable of reproduction. We often use the terms growing up child uh, for the teenagers 13 to 19 years of age. We will also discuss the role of hormones, the endocrine glands, the hormones secreted by these glands, and about the changes take places during the development of a child to an adult. Adolescence and puberty. Adolescence is a stage of physical and mental development that occur between childhood and adulthood. This development involves biological, social, and physiological changes. During this period, a person's body undergoes dramatic changes. In girls, adolescence stage may begin 1 year or 2 years earlier than in boys. The period of adolescence differs from person to person. Puberty is a biological process characterized by the maturation of secondary sexual organs and characteristics. The average age of girls of puberty is 10 to 12 years, while the boys is 12 to 14 years. In simple words, puberty is the time when a child's body starts changing into an adult body. Adolescence and puberty bring with a lot of emotions baggage. Characteristics of puberty. One of the important characteristics of puberty is sudden growth of the body. The hormones responsible for rapid growth and secondary sexual characteristics are the growth hormones and the sex hormones respectively. Different parts of the body grow at different rates. Some of the significant changes take place during puberty are discussed as follows. Firstly, rapid increase in height in the stage of adolescence. The most significant changes during puberty is rapid growth in height. Initially, the girls grow faster, but by the about 18 years of age, both the girls and boys reach their maximum height. Height is increased maximum in 18 years in boys and girls. In boys, the growth is observed slow initially but faster later. During this growth period, the bones of legs and arms become long so that the person look tall. Height is the hereditary character that is depend on the height of your family members. Heredity means होता है depend on height on your family member like mother, father, and grandfather. These character is called hereditary character. What for proper growth, it is necessary to eat the right kind of food during teenage. It will help the body parts to get adequate nourishment. And changes in voice. At puberty, the larynx, this is called voice box, being to grow. It is easily visible in voice as a protruding part of the throat, also known as Adam's apple. But in girls, the larynx is not clearly visible from outside. Generally, the voice have a low pitched or deep voice, while the girls have a high pitched voice during adolescence. Sometimes the voice of boys becomes harsh, but after a few weeks, it becomes normal. Look at this picture, lyrics of boys walks and atmos of apple in boys. Changes in body shape during adolescence. The shoulders of boys become broader and the chest become wider. This is because they have entered the age of puberty. On the other hand, girls, the reason below the waist become broader. The changes are different in girls and boys that occur during adolescence. The muscles grow more prominently in boys, and secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands increase. The increased activity of sebaceous glands and oil glands. Sebaceous glands is called oil glands, and sweat glands result in the acne or pimple on the face. In the age of adolescence, uh, many pimples and acne on the faces of boys and girls in the adolescence age. These are called the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands. The skin, especially in girls, become oily with red patches and rashes. The hormones are responsible for the excess release of oil glands and sweat glands. Many hormones are secreted in the age of adolescence, and some hormones is called sex hormones is secreted by the age of adolescence. Look at this picture, acne or pimple on the faces. This is the region of hormones. These are secreted during the age of adolescence. And development of reproductive organs. During adolescence stage, the reproductive organs of males, boys, that is testes and penis, develop completely. The testes begin to produce sperm. In the age of adolescence, testes in boys is develop and reproduce the sperm. In females, girls, the ovaries enlarged and eggs begin to be mature in ovaries. Or in girls, ovaries reproduce mature eggs. As a result, the ovaries start releasing the mature eggs. The reproduction is start in a human life after puberty or adolescence, because after in adolescence age, male reproduce sperm and female reproduce egg in adolescence age. Gaining emotions, mental and intellectual maturity. The thinking of the adolescents changes within the movement for a particular things. They become self-conscious and more independent. It is the stage of life when brain has the greatest capacity of learning. In this age, boys and girls have greatest capacity of learning, so the adolescent spend most of their time in thinking. They may feel insecure often at the time when they try to adjust to the physical and mental changes. Adolescent should not feel insecure, as all these physical and mental changes are natural and a part of growing up stage. So today we have discussed in our class about adolescence, and we will discuss our next topic and our next video. Thank you. Have a good day.